Hello children, welcome to Parmal Academy. How are you all? Hope you will fit and fine. And when mom will say you, how are you? Then you will say, I am good, I am great, I am fine. So today we will talk about human body parts. Okay, human body parts. So tell me, what is this? This is a toy car. Everybody having a car toy at home now? So you can see it has many parts like wheels, lights, windows, seat and many more. As it is, our body has many parts. This is our body and our body has many parts like eyebrow. This is our eyebrow. Eyes. These are our eyes. Nose. Mouth. Arms. Hands. Legs. Toe. Forehead. Ears. Chest. This is called a chest. Stomach, knee and foot. So now I have some images for you and you have to guess the body parts. Can you tell me which body part is this? Head. This is our head. The next is eyes. Touch your eyes. And how many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. When someone will ask you how many eyes do you have, you will say I have 2 eyes. I have 1 head. I have 1 head. I have 2 eyes. The next is ears. These are ears. I have 2 ears. Okay. And the next is nose. How many nose do you have? We have 1 nose. We have 1 nose. And the next is mouth. Next is mouth. Open your mouth. Shut your mouth. The next is teeth. The next is teeth. And what is the color of your teeth? Teeth are white. And the next is arm. This is a arm. These are our arms. These are our strong arms. And we have 2 arms. 1 arm and 2 arms. We have 2 arms. The next is hand. The next is hand. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. 1 hand, 2 hands. Show me your hands. And do you know how many fingers do you have? 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. Okay. The next is shoulders. These are our shoulders. Touch your shoulders. And now move your shoulder up, down, up, down. Move your shoulder up, down, up, down. Okay. The next is neck. This is our neck. Touch your neck. This is our neck. And the next, legs. These are our legs. We have two legs. We have two legs. This is our leg and we have two legs. The next is foot. The next is foot. And we have 2 feet. And if there is one, then we call foot. And if there are 2, then we call feet. We have 2 feet. Okay. So, involving these body parts, I have one rhyme also. Listen this rhyme. Speak with me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little mouth to say mama good night. Okay, one more time we will revise this rhyme. Sing with me again. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little mouth to say mama good night. Okay, children. And children, do you know we have 5 sense organs also, by which we can sense something, we can feel, we can see, we can hear. Okay, so these are our 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do you have? I have 5 sense organs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many sense organs? 5. And which are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. One more time, revise. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And what do you do with your eyes? I can see with my eyes. I can see the moon with my eyes. Yes. We can see everything with our eyes. Okay. So, the next is nose. I can smell with my nose. What is this? Flower. And wow, nice smell. I can smell with my nose. And the next is ears. The next sense organ is ears. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. The next is tongue. Yes, the next sense organ is tongue. I can taste things, yummy things with my tongue. Aha, yummy things. I can taste yummy things with my tongue. The next is skin. I can feel rain with, and the next is skin. I can feel the rain with my skin. And this is our skin. This is our skin. And we can feel by our skin. Skin covers our whole body. And we can feel a pain, hot, cold through our skin. So I have one rhyme for you by involving these sense organs. So start with me. Okay, start. My eyes can see. My eyes can see the big bright sun. My nose can smell. My nose can smell the hot cross buns. My ear can hear. My ear can hear the my skin. My ear can hear a big loud drum. My ear can hear a big loud drum. My tongue can taste a good thing, yum yum. My tongue can taste a good thing, yum yum. My hands can feel. My hands can feel. Oh, sad, what fun! I like my senses. Okay, students. So, in this video, we have learned about body parts and sense organs. You will learn all the body parts and sense organs. One more time, how many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. Nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin. And skin. Okay. So, I will meet you in next video. Till that time, bye-bye. Have a great day.